So my name's Jacinta Linden, I'm Director of Space. We're a family support charity based in Newry. Through our locality planning group we identified a problem, which was the need to support young men, particularly young men in the age group, early teens, who had no access to positive male role models, and others who did not know where to go to connect with an agency that might support them. So to bring some action to our locality level, we came up with the idea of having a Young Minds Matter conference.
For those of you who don't know me, my name is Barra Best. I control the weather forecast.
It's been wonderful working with all of the different partners from the Newry Locality Planning Group. We didn't want it to be just all a conference where we just sit and talk and take notes. It was all about getting involved and also linking up with information services in the area. The workshops that we have today include African drumming, mindfulness, laughter yoga, the Be Positive programme from PIPS, and also the Lego walk that PIPS have provided as well. So these have given young men the chance to get up, move around, take part and have a laugh and join in.
1, 2, 3, yeah!
Youth Action have done a session on gender masculinity, and also we have had the CiNI to give a session on cyber awareness and internet safety.
I think today's event has been absolutely fantastic. The young men that are out there are having a superb time. I think the key message from today's conference for myself, and especially for the young men that have taken part in today, is that there are services and support mechanisms out there to help them should they feel under pressure at any stage in their life as they move forward.
It's great to be here, and it's great to see so many young people here. I think a big thing about today is the importance of partnerships and about a lot of the community, voluntary and the public sector working together for the good of our young people and raising the message. If you've got a problem, there's always someone there for you. I think there's a recognition that young people's mental health is a real issue, and I think we need to work more collaboratively and put some resources into that. And I'm not just talking money, I'm also talking about we need to give our time, and we need to be out into communities, working with communities. They make it happen and we need to work with them.
We're volunteers with Youth Action. Youth Action is a group that works with young men, and we're here at this conference today just to talk about masculinity and what it really means to be a man, men in the media, etc.
A lot of young men today are kind of confused about what it means to be a man. And I feel like these services obviously help a lot. I know for a fact they helped me find out who I really was and helped me kind of define what it means to be masculine to me. Staying true to myself, you know, standing up for what I believe in as a person, whether that be sports, political beliefs. It's really just about standing up for yourself and being true.
I really enjoyed today. It was really good fun and good crack.
It's good, yeah. Very good.
It was a really good day and I loved it.
It was very fun. We had fun with a lot of good activities and things.
I liked it because it was like give me a lot of information on like who should I go to.
I just thought it was very fun and enjoyable, and I think everyone should come if they have the opportunity to.
Today was very good. It was very informative and I learned a lot about mental health.
I really liked the African drums.
I liked the drums.
The workshop about drumming.
The African drums.
Today.
I liked playing the drums as it was really fun and it was just a stress relief.
We did some other fun ones like the laughing yoga.
I enjoyed the laughing yoga.
And then I liked the laughter yoga. I liked the way it was just like a lot of stress, or like it was like helpful.
I thought all the lessons really helped me for the future.
The workshops at the start were very good, with a lot of interesting stuff about drugs and alcohol and things.
I learned that if you're feeling sad, just talk to someone and make sure it's okay.
In the future, I'll not be sending pictures of people I don't know. Oh, I learned a bit more about the cyberbullying and that kind of thing. That you should set your social media accounts to private and have good passwords.
I know that there are a lot of people who suffer from different mental illnesses, and I've learned how to
cope with different things like depression and suicide, and how to help friends that maybe have such things like that.
I learned that mental health wasn't just bad things, it was good as well. It was like physical health.
Today I learned that it doesn't matter what anyone else thinks, just be yourself.
I thought it was excellent. I think we should do more often, young people getting together, particularly young men, to send out the message that it's good to talk.
So it's been great pulling everything together in the programme. All the partners have worked really hard towards it for a number of months, but I hope that this is only the start of what we're going to be doing in the area. Young men and mental health is one of the key priorities of the Newry Locality Planning Group, so it's still on the agenda and it's still something that we care very passionately about.